For Becky Alexander, loving baby Brooklyn came easy. It was getting pregnant that was the hard part.
My husband and I had tried, unsuccessfully to get pregnant on our own for about a year. Tried some different, fertility options, some different treatments for a couple years. Again, unsuccessfully.
Then came an alternative idea, alternative medicine.
I don't know that I would say I was skeptical, because when you get down that fertility road and you get you get 3 years down it, you will try almost anything.
Becky, like a growing number of women, turned to acupuncture. David Yoran runs Indiana Reproductive Acupuncture, the only center of its kind in Indiana, which specializes in natural reproductive health care.
There's been a lot of research recently that's shown that acupuncture and oriental medicine can help improve fertility.
According to David, acupuncture can be used alone or with other treatments like in vitro fertilization. He says for IVF patients under 35 who receive acupuncture, the pregnancy rate is 63%. And regardless of age, the effectiveness rate is nearly 52%.
You might feel just a little slight tiny poke the first moment it makes contact with your skin.
For those who fear needles, Becky and David both say there's nothing to be afraid of.
The needles really don't hurt, and it's really just kind of a calming time.
Part of it is that the needles, even though they're so small and thin, there's no medicine on the needles. When they're put in the right points and the right combinations, they help bring more blood flow and oxygen nutrients to the part of the body where the needles are.
Many traditional fertility specialists have embraced the power of acupuncture as well.
I think that as couples enter into the process, some couples who have a bit more anxiety about the process may find it beneficial, maybe benefit from a physiologic standpoint coupled with the improvement in stress reduction.
Becky is definitely a believer.
You're not the only person. You're one of many, many people who are in this situation. And I've had friends and coworkers, and I've said, you've got to go and get acupuncture. But it was definitely yeah.
Women interested in acupuncture as a fertility treatment should first talk to their doctors. You can expect to pay roughly $150 for a consultation, and follow-up visits run about $100, and the number of treatments needed will vary by patient. And also keep in mind, many women use it in combination with in vitro fertilization, which can cost sometimes several $1,000s. Angela Ganote, Fox 59 News, first at 4.